visit the Farmhouse Sanctuary near Natchez Trace, north of Florence, Alabama, you're almost guaranteed to fall in love with their rescued animals. But you may also fall in love with their custom furniture. They began a custom furniture and woodworking program using dead wood harvested from the farm.
Now we have a shop where we produce furniture for people that are interested in, again, part of the artisan activity, the way it used to be.
From beekeeping to woodworking, Barry is an integral part of the farm's operation.
I mean, I've been in woodworking my whole life, dealing with building from the ground up, and then just had an opportunity here to change my career, so to speak, and do things that were pleasing to me more as an artist. It's just a gratifying feeling for me. I enjoy working with wood, you know, and it all comes from the man upstairs. You know, he is a total inspiration behind all of this.
Barry can teach interested farmhouse guests the basics of woodworking.
A lot of people have got skills that they really don't know that they have.
Like any true artisan, Barry is constantly experimenting. He showed me his version of the Lichtenberg, a method of wood burning invented in Germany in the late 1700s.
It's called Lichtenberg, or fracturing wood. So basically you're taking a liquid that becomes a conductor and you're throwing current through this with these two leads, and this is a homemade rig. This actually came from an old microwave. What I've done is just taken a soda water mix and I have literally just brushed it on the wood, trying to saturate the grain. So, experimenting with different locations on the wood, so you've got two at the same point, side to side. So sometimes it'll ignite immediately, and you'll see here, it just begins to fracture the wood, and depending on the dryness of the wood, sometimes it may take 3 or 4 coats. You've got the grain of wood that's dry and absorbed this liquid. Yeah. It's following those grains. And I mean, they're large grains all the way to micro grains. So I mean, you're burning wood. And you can tell it's soaked in along the edges. Just simple baking soda and water. No matter how hard you try, the randomness of it is what makes it so unique. All right, watch. After you've burnt this and you give it an opportunity to dry, you get the discoloration. But what you end up doing is you're gonna go back with a wire brush and you're literally going to rub the charcoal out of the grooves. And you're gonna clean it off by simply taking what is called a bow tie, a way of splicing wood, and literally making a stand where it could be something that you literally would put on a, once that was glued down, that you would put on a coffee table.
I don't know much about the art of woodworking, beekeeping, or farming for that matter, but I know what I like, and I thoroughly enjoyed my time at the Farmhouse Sanctuary.